I think there's
Looking
some
forward
issues in
for
this.
your interaction with the students. Yes, I'm
Yes,
sure.
yes, yes,
Please carry
absolutely.
on.
My pleasure, my pleasure, my pleasure. Thank you, Vivek. First of all, I want to thanks Vivek to give me this opportunity, to share my experience with you people. Without wasting time, I'll just start my presentation. Uh, Guys, first of all, I would like you to rather than putting your questions in the chat box, I would like you to ask it. Okay. And one more thing is that please don't keep your speaker in mute every time. Please keep interacting with me because I want your involvement in the whole presentation. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Please,
Yes, sir.
please
Yes,
interact.
sir.
If you have any doubts, if you can contribute in the presentation, it would be great. So please keep contributing it. Okay, so we'll just start the presentation. Okay, so our topic this time is so now is design solution and trend. Before that, I'm gonna make you understand how a trend leads to a design problem, and then how the designer come up with different solutions. So when I'm saying designer, in that case, in the industry, I meant different brands, how they introduce different design solution for different time, like whenever any problem occurs, due to the particular trend. So we're going to talk first of all about trends. Whenever I say a trend, what are the things which comes to your mind? Anything any basic thing. You tell me about that.
Something that a large mass of people accept or gain access to.
Absolutely, absolutely, yes.
Which everyone follow, knowing whatever
Which
it
is
is, they try to follow it.
Okay,
which is
yes.
currently in use.
Yeah,
Which
come
we
again.
are
What?
unknowing,
Which is what?
which we are
Something
unknowingly
which is
knowingly
currently
attracted
in
to.
use.
Yeah. Unknowingly, attracted to. Yes, absolutely. Anything else? I missed somebody. Someone. The two people were talking in between. So,
A
so
development in thought process or anything kind of product or thing which
yes,
everyone.
absolutely, absolutely, yes.
A change which may have a temporary or permanent effect on people's mindset.
Brilliant. Yes, absolutely.
Change or development.
Yeah, change is the major thing. In trends, change and development both. Yeah. Look at you guys. You guys know everything. This is brilliant. Good to hear something like that from you guys. Yeah. Anything else? I think I can see there are more than 300 students. I was expecting some more input.
An ongoing process.
Yeah, ongoing process, sort of. Yes. Anything else?
Gradually changing of the mindset and perspective of the people.
Yes, absolutely. These are the levels, which comes later on. Yeah, in the trend.
Current style and preferences.
Okay, absolutely, absolutely. Yes. Anything else? Okay, cool. So
Sir,
yeah,
trend is something which we see and follows.
yes, absolutely. Which we see and follow, which inspire us somewhere. We get attracted to those kind of things. So as I can see, you guys are having a basic understanding of trend, which is absolutely correct. Whatever you guys have come up with the answer with. Going forward, I'm gonna give you a very small example when I'm talking about trend plus design. What is the trend right nowadays? Can you tell me about that? Anything which you think is very much trendy nowadays?
Minimalism.
Sustainability.
Sustainability.
What? I'm not able to hear you. What?
Sustainability.
Scenic beauty,
Sustainability, sir.
sustainability. Yeah.
Sustainability.
Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely, sustainability is.
So online classes.
Oh, brilliant, brilliant example. Yes, absolutely, absolutely. Yes,
Mental health.
yes. Mental health is also a trend. People are getting aware of mental health. Like previously, nobody was aware of that. Yeah, completely.
Better
Masks and
brand.
sanitizers.
What sanitizer?
Masks and sanitizers.
Absolutely, marks and
It
sanitizer.
has become such
Sir.
thing कि कपड़े भूल गए लेकिन मास्क नहीं भूलना चाहिए बाहर निकलने से पहले.
Absolutely, absolutely brilliant. Yes.
Better
So Indian
branded
media.
animations.
better branded animations. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, sort of.
Sir,
Yes.
Indian media.
Indian media, yeah. During this
So
pandemic,
IPL.
absolutely, yes.
So importance of saving.
Importance of saving, yes, yes, yes. But I guess this is a bit dicey because the importance of saving was always been there, like, since ages, right? Like you're saying financial stability, right? You mean to say
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
That's there, like, so it's a trend, like, which people are like, people having the priority of this particular trend since ages. Yeah, it's been there. There is also
People are
Bollywood
getting
drama.
conscious about health. People are getting conscious about.
absolutely, like, yes, yes, yeah.
In the COVID region, I think इस समय लोग ज्यादा वो कंसर्न हो रहे हेल्थ के लिए जितना हम पहले होते थे उससे ज्यादा इस बार अब हो रहे हैं.
Cool. So
Better use of resources.
What resources?
Better use of resources.
Yes, absolutely. Better use of resources, which comes under sustainability again. Yes. So basically, like, I'm going to make you understand how a particular trend led to a kind of design problem in the society, and how different brand come up with a different business idea with a design solution. So basically क्या होता है जब भी कोई solution निकलता है, it becomes a business in the end of the day. I'll give you a very basic example, like, when this selfie trend comes in India, like, do you guys have any idea about that? Like, according to your understanding? Any idea? Like, from how many years, like, like people started getting involved, like, into selfies and all?
So 3 to 4 years, I think more.
Yeah, it's more than that. Yeah.
It's been there
2012 or
2012
13.
since they released
Were
the
trending
song
was
called
from
Selfie.
14, 15. I think.
Actually, you know what? It's more than 10 years. Like, so in India, it came a little late. So the first mobile which people used for the selfies, it's been speculated right now, which brand has actually come up with a selfie camera. Initially, the camera has come, the front camera has come for the, for the online, meetings. So, and slowly and steadily, people started clicking, pictures. So now can you see the journey in between? Like, how this obsession with the, camera has become the major priority nowadays. How this particular concept of clicking picture has become become a new business in the, in the industry. Like, how different brands are coming with advanced technology, with crystal clear pictures, crystal clear zoom. Like, they're like, I remember, 10 years back, the zoom used, the megapixel used to be 1 megapixel or 2 megapixel. And nowadays, you guys know what is the result. And can you guys tell me what is the maximum megapixel you can
24.
camera?
108 megapixel.
Yeah.
Indian media 24, like publicly in Japanese media, there is 108. The phone hasn't been released yet.
Yeah, absolutely. And just like, have you guys ever thought about this thing ki from where it started and where it's getting ended? Like, like there is no end. But different brands like Apple, like OnePlus, like, MI, like they are coming up with different kind of these gadgets, and people are buying it crazily. I think we all are involved in that. Like, everybody wants to buy a very good phone, like with some good camera. The first thing is like, you want to see is a good camera in that. Can you see the, like, the trend happening in between, the bridge happening between the trend and the design and the business? So that's the thing which I'm gonna make you understand, like, how this journey happens, to, like, which led to a design solution, like, how a trend become a major problem later on, and then people come up with different ideas, with different business opportunity, and with different like design solutions. Just up like one problem with like 3-4 solutions. So like this, can you give me any like, example, like, which you think like, has evolved like, in like, 10 years or like, 5 years or anything in your mind, even if it is wrong, no worries on that, please speak it out.
Making short videos. First, they used to be 10-minute short films and videos, but now they have been converted to 60 seconds.
So electric
Absolutely.
cars.
Slow motion for what?
स्लो मोशन भी जो होता है ना, फोटोज को क्लिक करके कंबाइन करके स्लो मोशन.
Yeah, got it. Yeah,
So
Infotainment gadgets that take a lot less time, like a hand blender. Instead of doing it by hand, they have an electronic machine to do that. So everything.
Yes, absolutely. So do you know, like, why they, like, why we are heading towards this?
Which we use so that the human effort in it reduces and your life becomes.
Yes, like, why, like, so when we talk about, like, there's a difference between simple and minimalism.
Right.
Okay. So the thing is that why we don't have time nowadays, because there's the lifestyle, like, there's like people are getting like, busy in their work, and then they don't have time for their, like, household activities. So the companies are coming up with different solution. Like when you don't have time, so you use this design solution. So when you're saying there are different gadgets, there are different, like, electronics, like, which save your time, that is what? That's a design solution, right? There is a particular kind of, like, community who sat for you, who observed you, who, like, who understood, like, how you, like, how your daily routine, like, goes on and on. Following that particular routine, following your, like, behavioral approach, they have come up with this particular product. Okay.
Absolutely, yeah.
So like then, like, and then you're buying it, and there are different brands who are launching it. So it's a cycle, like, following how different kind of, like, product get launched, how different kind of design solution get introduced.
Yeah.
And you know what, like, so right now, I think in this pandemic, like, what is the trend which you see the most across everywhere? Like, any ideas, guys? Like,
People wearing masks.
Cycle.
People are spending a lot of time with their families.
One by one, just one by one. Okay, so I can hear everyone. Yes. Cycle, somebody said, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, cycle. But cycle in which sense? Cycle in which sense? People are cycling, you mean to say?
Yeah, sir, the person who hasn't cycled from a long time, like my father, he hasn't cycled from a long time, and he is now cycling. So that's the changes which is happening, and it's like in every person is doing that thing in my locality personally, I think.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. So what you'll get to see is when your father is going to cycle, like, start the cycling, after seeing him at that particular age, people will start doing, like, the cycling. Then it will become a trend again.
Yeah.
Anybody else? Yes.
They spend more time with their family, like mostly in the kitchen. Like a lot of people have started cooking on their own.
Absolutely, guys. Like, people are cooking everywhere. Like, so they're cooking, they're learning cooking, like they're clicking pictures out of it, they're posting it in social media. So yeah, brilliantly. Like,
I think people are much more cautious and careful
about their health.
Yes,
absolutely. We have talked about that previously.
The movies are releasing in online platforms.
Yes, like, so don't you think that's a design thinking process? there's a solution. So when there is any solution, like for a problem, that itself is a design thinking process, right? So like, you know,
Yes, sir.
since they know they can't like, you know, they can't release the movie on theater. So what can be the like, you know, next option? Like, you know, then it comes the platforms like Netflix, the Amazon, like, you know, Z5, Sony Live, like, so whatever the platform is. But just see the, look, design solutions are fine, but it also comes with business opportunity. Like, so when there will be this movie released on the platform, so then there will be few ads also coming along with that, which is called digital marketing. People come up with different kind of creatives. So आप लोगों ने कहीं पे देखा होगा, whenever you click a particular video which you want to see, before clicking that video, you see a particular kind of ad, which you can't skip. जो आप उसको हटा नहीं सकते, आपको देखना ही पड़ता है, वो कम से कम नहीं होने से 5 सेकंड या 10 सेकंड के लिए. Did you ever thought why they do it? Any idea?
Promotion.
Absolutely promotion. And like, you know, the design thinking process, like they know the consumer, like, you know, they want to see this video. There's a popular video in that particular platform. And like, you know, so what are the things which they can launch in between? Through that, the consumer had to see the video. Though you don't want to, but you have to see the video. So that's the way the design thinking process works. Is the part of design thinking process. Any solution which like, you know, which you come up with for a problem is a design thinking process. And the next level is like, you know, when you come up with the product. Now the product can be an on digital product. It can be a, like, you know, hardcore, like, you know, something which is a physical product. So carrying forward, I'm gonna make you understand how the like, you know, different kind of business happens, like, you know, following a trend. So what are the major problems in now like in metro cities? The major problem. Traffic.
Pollution.
Pollution, yes, absolutely.
Space.
What?
Space.
I can't hear you, sorry.
Space.
Space, yeah, absolutely space. Yeah, space crunch. Yes, absolutely.
Build quality.
Kya?
Build quality, because so many vehicles are passing through roads, they need to get better quality.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes.
So creation of slums.
Oh, has to be. Yes, absolutely.
The
Definitely.
high stress level.
High what?
Stress level.
Stress level, yes, the lifestyle, yeah, high stress level.
Lack of
So
open
increasing
spaces.
population. Sir, there is no nature around them.
Yes, absolutely. Anything else you guys want to add in this thing?
Increasing population.
Increasing population, yeah, we already talked about that.
Everything is connected. For example, if you say traffic leads to honking, and honking leads to noise pollution.
Yeah, absolutely.
So many people get unemployed, like they are unemployed.
Unemployed in metro cities?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, sort of, I think, yes.
Sir, I think one of the crucial problems in the recent years has been pollution.
Yes.
And then there are many design solutions in the last 5, 10, 20 years. That is, for example, electric cars that cater to these problems.
Okay.
Sir, stress is basically discomfort caused to any one person. So there are many things which causes like discomfort in the year 2020, and talking about this pandemic, I think just staying inside our houses is a big stress for many people who like to go out on weekends or
yes. Yeah, sort of, yes.
Today, like in the starting stage of Jio, we used to get very good speed, but in this pandemic, when people are more tend to use net and on the name of 4G, we get 3G, people get more stress rather than not getting good food. They get more stressed on internet speed.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. People are more focused on like, you know, on the internet rather than like, you know, what they're getting or what they're having.
Sir, disconnect from nature.
Yes, absolutely. Like, that's the worst part, like, disconnect with nature. Okay.
Living
So,
without oh,
yeah, say.
living in a small family.
Living in a small family, as in, like, can you, I'm not able to, like, understand. Can you tell me?
Single families, don't live together
Nuclear
like
family.
together.
But I think she's trying to say that there are increase in nuclear families.
Nuclear family, yes. I forgot the word, yes.
Okay, okay, cool. Can you guys see my screen now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
So, the main thing is that, just, yeah, all these issues which you guys are talking about, just a minute. All these issues which you guys are talking about, I'm gonna filter few issues here, and I'm gonna show you how a problem, how a trend become a problem, and then how that problem led to a different business opportunity with different design solutions. Okay, starting with the thing is that now when I'm talking about the major problem with the metro cities, why metro cities are so crowded? Did we ever thought about that? Why they are crowded?
So
Because
because of the opportunities that were provided earlier.
absolutely, absolutely, there are lots of opportunity. Like there is employment. So in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities, apart from the government jobs, like people don't have jobs over there. There's no job opportunity. Secondly, like no, not every single individual get an opportunity to to study. Okay, so there are people who have not studied that long, and they want to start earning with their start earning as soon as possible due to their personal reasons. So what is the solution? They come to the metro cities. So different level of people, they come to metro cities for the job opportunity.
मेट्रो सिटी
Sorry, somebody said
काय
something.
झूम मीटिंग चालू झाली
Uh, can you guys? Okay. So for what I was saying, so different people come to metro city for their different job opportunity. So when so many people comes and travel to the metro city, obviously the city has to had to crowd it has to be crowded, right? There will be space crunch. It will be overpopulated. It will be polluted. Then so these are the few filters which will come when these things happen. So as you can see, can you see my screen, guys?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
we
sir.
can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how an individual come to the city and it's an example, and the different people come to the city and the city get crowded like that. Okay. Then there is lack of space. So now the localites who stays over there in the city, they start building new apartments for rent for new business opportunity. So for that thing, they'll cut the trees and all, right? So it's a cycle thing which is happening now. More and more people they travel to the city, and the city get crowded, so there obviously there's an increase in population. So when there's increase in population, there is space crunch, so you don't get get the kind of space which you actually want. So now what are the problems which will come in the space crunch issues, and what are the priorities in the space crunch issues? Can you please tell me about that? Any ideas in the metro cities, keeping the metro cities in mind?
Sir, our house will be more messy if we are living in a space crunching house, and
Absolutely, yes.
it
Yes.
makes us suffocated in our house.
Yes, absolutely, yes.
People will be more frustrated.
Yeah, absolutely.
They won't have
Absolutely.
We will have
place
more health
to
issues.
change their focus on.
Yeah, health issues will be there. Focused on what?
Like when someone gets tired, they'll take a round around their house or in the hall. But in the space crunch house, they know कि दो बार चलेंगे तो एक एंड पे पहुंच जाएंगे.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Overall, people are in a negative headspace.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Guys, am I the host? Like, because there are a few people like who's waiting in the waiting room. Like,
So I'll be admitting them, not to worry.
yeah. Please do that. Okay. Yeah. Keep going on. Yes.
So the quality of life in general isn't that good when you're not living in a comfortable, sufficient space.
Okay. Cool. Absolutely correct, guys. Like, I think you guys like hit on the in the correct spot. Like, what are the things which is going to come. So we're going to talk about the problem. So when it's the lack of space, there will be lack of space. Like, when there's so much population over there in the metro cities, then the thing is that furniture is taking too much space in the in the place where you're staying, right? The target group wants to have multifunctional furnitures. So nobody will buy sofa alag se, bed alag se, dining table alag se, ye alag se, storage alag se, because there is space crunch, right? Something which make their space looks bigger, a smaller space physically, but some solution which can make the whole space look bigger in size. Okay, these are the brainstorming points which I as an individual think are the major issues which people are facing nowadays. Okay, you can add on more points over there. There's no limit on that. People also want storage space, and definitely lack of time for the household activities because of the lifestyle which they are leading right now. Anything which you want to add in this particular list? Guys, anything?
If we want to like
What?
What if a person is not happy with the space they're living in, then
Mhm.
it isn't good for their mental health as well. So even that gets affected.
Yes, absolutely.
All aspects of life are, put to.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, social burden.
Social burden. Like, can you please little elaborate? Like, how social burden is?
So like if there is like a very poor person and if he sees the society around himself, like he'll feel financially insecure, socio-economically insecure and etc. sir.
Absolutely. That's such a good point. Brilliant.
sir.
Yes. Absolutely. Yes.
Thank you,
And
sir.
also there the lifestyle of the people is so fast that they can't even manage their time properly between their privacy and their work life.
Yeah. Time management. Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Anything else? Okay, cool. So we'll go forward. So keeping this kind of things which
Excuse me,
occurs
sir.
yeah, sorry, what? You said something?
Yeah, sir, Rishikesh wrote in chat lack of privacy.
Okay.
I didn't see that being discussed, so I just said it out loud.
Yeah. Please, because okay, so I can't see the chat. Yes. Okay, lack of privacy.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Lack of privacy.
Yes, absolutely. So guys, you guys are correct. I think you guys already have an understanding, how things are happening. So when a brand or when a brand studies these particular trends, they come up with this kind of points, like what people are facing, what are the things, what are the issues which they are leading to. Okay, then what are the solution which can comes in? So since I'm talking about one solution, so we will be focused on that. So I'm talking about how the furniture market happens, how the furniture markets are coming up with new innovative ideas. Okay, so once you have this a list of issues, a list of things which people are facing, then they start to study the trend in detail. So trend research is aimed at mapping social trends of India, which entails in depth analysis of, I'm going to explain one by one, consumer behavior and sentiments. So when we're talking about consumer behavior, there are different kind of behaviors which get to see. Like for example, suppose when you get to go to a supermarket, you will see some people are buying so there are 3-4 types of detergent powder. but few people will buy Ghadi detergent powder, few people will buy like Ariel, few people will buy like, Rin Supreme. Why so? Did you ever thought about that?
So their personal belief.
Personal
And also
belief,
the
yes.
prices are
Because
different
of
on
their
them,
preference
so
and
people
Their
would go
budget
for the
range.
cheapest.
Guys, one by one. Yeah, prices are
Prices
different.
are like cheaper. Like some of them will
Yes,
be cheaper
yes,
than
yes.
others.
Yeah,
Then some of
brand
them will be
according to
a
the
better
brand.
quality than others.
Everyone has
Yeah,
different affordability price.
absolutely. Same point. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, guys.
They have been
Yeah.
bombarded by a particular brand advertisement. I mean,
Yes, absolutely. Promotions, like, how you promote your
promotion.
product. Yeah.
Yeah.
So widely
Rather,
appealing promotions.
they only know like
Yes,
about one
absolutely.
of them, so they don't know about all of them. So the one they know is the one they buy.
Sir,
Absolutely.
also friends and family influence.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Yes.
So
It's a
because of
personal past experience.
Personal past experience. Brilliant. Yes.
So that brand legacy.
Smell. I mean, smell can also come, I guess.
Sorry, what?
Smell, sir, smell. I mean, after you wear the clothes, right? So the kind of smell also. I mean, I think कि उसपे भी differ होता होगा.
Yeah,
Buying
yeah,
that
yeah.
detergent.
so according to the clothes, type of clothes for like woolen clothes के लिए अलग detergent और दूसरे clothes के लिए अलग detergent.
Yeah, yeah. Absolutely. So the
It's the
basic thing
level
is
of comfort.
what compost?
It's the level of comfort.
Level of comfort. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it
Absolutely.
can also be because of parent brand or influence like that.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, yes, yes.
You have faith in the
Sir,
brand, so you buy the product.
Yeah, yeah. Somebody was saying something.
so but at the end, the major element over here is the pricing, sir. I think so.
Yeah. So I'll say, like, yeah, definitely pricing is one of the major elements. So there are different, a kind of consumers over there in the market. Like, few consumers prefer to buy something which is really little, so which is a bit expensive. They think okay, fine, since it is expensive, it's going to work better. The consumer who thinks who takes smart decisions okay, I want a particular kind of product which is like little expensive and also not little expensive, a little cheaper, but then also give a good quality of result. Then the other consumer is I have this kind of budget. Within this budget, if I get something which fits into that, I will prefer those things, because maybe her priority will be the fragrance, how good it cleans the fabric, whether it's damaging the fabric or not, and how much amount of powder is required to clean maybe 10 fabric or 20 fabrics. So if one spoon is enough, then she will go for that. So in this way, different kind of priorities are there. So as a brand, people always as a brand always understand this kind of behavioral approach for the consumer. What kind of sentiments they are having with the product, what kind of major priorities they're having, when they go to buy a particular product, what influences them, when they see a kind of product. So this kind of design thinking process, it always happened 2 to 3 years back before launching the product. Every product in the market, starting whatever you see in front of you. Now the next level is the consumer pattern. When I'm talking about consumer pattern, at what level the consumer is it's a middle class consumer, it's a lower middle class consumer, it's it's upper middle class consumer, or it's a high end consumer. So according to this level, people the brand understand their behavioral approach, their budget, how frequently they spend on a particular product. Then definitely their lifestyle, their taste, for example, I would say a high end consumer whose yearly income is near about 20 lakhs or 25 lakhs. There are times when people don't go for to buy grocery. They have their own the house the house help, and they go on their behalf to buy the concerned product. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. You're audible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
In this way, there are people so the different kind of consumer patterns are there. They have different kind of lifestyle. So like if I talk about the middle class consumer, they will always, this is the consumer which brand focus the more, because this particular consumer has two variety. One is upper class, one is lower middle, upper class upper middle class and lower middle class. So according to these two particular class, like people develop, the brand develop the product. So as a middle class consumer, like they will always prefer, they always see things how many time, kitna din chalega, kitne kam mein ho jayega, is it does it smell good or not, ये सब कुछ चीजें देखती है the middle class consumer in detail.
So another factor that we can talk about over here is how often you're going to purchase the particular product, like something like which is of daily use, which you have to keep buying regularly. I don't
Yeah.
Someone wouldn't want to spend a lot of money on that because you have to get it on a very regular basis, so you wouldn't want an expensive option for
Yeah,
that.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So definitely, so the product wise, everything everything changes. So we are in generic, I'm just trying to make you understand how the brand studies, the trend, for individual products, and then definitely lastly, the preference across demographics. So apart from that, they also see the news articles, the daily day-to-day news articles, like in the newspaper, whatever you get to see, you get to hear, whatever is happening around in that particular field, they keep a track on that too, so you understand the how the consumers are reacting to a particular product. Depending on that, they come up with a design solution. Okay, so for example, I'm going to show you the advanced furniture design. So when we were talking about the lack of space, the polluted, there is storage issue. Then people don't want to buy the expensive furniture. They want to buy something which is which is a dual use, something which can be used as a sofa, which can be used as a bed, and at times it can be changed to something else. So coming to that particular point, the brand has introduced different kind of products, so can you see this is a foldable dining table. This particular dining table, as you can see, it can be used as a chest of drawer for decoration. It can be whenever it's required, people can pull those chairs and they can open it and they can set a whole dining at the right time. Same with, can you see my cursor? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Same with this one. So this particular dining table, at some point of time, the center table, and then they have changed it into a dining table. Why these things are coming up? Did we ever ask ourselves? Because there's a requirement of that. Day by day, the whole earth is getting filled with there's so much space crunch. People want they have a space crunch, but they want everything in their house. So what can be the solution for that? I'm just saying from the perspective of furniture business. Okay, because there are numerous number of things which we can't cover in this particular time. So that's the reason I'm focused on particular thing. So can you see how the solutions are coming? So rather than buying 2-3 things, people only buy one thing now. And according to the requirement, they can change it to the they can change it to this particular furniture. Going forward, I want to show you one video. Just a minute. I'll stop share because there is some issue. Then I'll just share it again. Okay. Yeah, just wait a minute. I'll just share it again. Can you see the sound? Can you hear the sound? Can you see my screen?
We can see the screen, but it hasn't started yet.
Okay, fine. I think there's some issue with this sound. Just let me just figure out that thing. Sorry guys, just give me 2 minutes. I think there's some issue. Okay, share computer sound. Oh, I guess this video don't have any sound. Can you guys see the video?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sorry, what? No?
No, sir.
Okay, like, I thought you guys are seeing the video. Just a minute. Again, I'll share it.
Are you streaming it directly from YouTube?
Yeah. Just a minute, guys. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll see it again. I'll share another video too. This. Just a minute. Can you see my screen now?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I just see this
visible.
one. He doesn't have any sound though.
Is it a Murphy bed or what, sir?
Sorry, what? I didn't get you.
Is it a Murphy bed?
Yes.
Okay, huh. Okay.
We will have a look to this again. Okay, yeah. So can you guys see how the space crunch has come up with different kind of design solution, with different kind of brand coming out with the solution like this? Because nowadays people understood this thing, rather than buying different kind of utility furniture, there is a kind of consumer belt, there's a kind of consumer pattern which they are which are specifically looking for this modular furniture, which you can turn into anything according to your requirement, right? We'll see some other videos too. Just a minute. Just play it. Just bear with me, guys, because there is some issue with the thing. Okay. Yeah, I found it. This one, share screen. Yes. Share. Yeah, can you see the video?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's a very simple design. Like, there's nothing like, which is very much like, fancy over here. It's absolutely according to the requirement. Yes. So I'll share one more video with you guys. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I guess few of you people have must seen this this kind of videos before, but I want you to see it from the perspective where I'm coming from. So these are the new trends in India which are coming, introducing, you already got introduced. Like, people are into this kind of stuff nowadays. So what we understood from that? Any inputs?
So consumers problem solving design.
Yeah.
I mean, as we say, necessity.
What?
So even sustainability over here.
Yes. Yeah.
People are looking for something that's really convenient to use.
If somebody was saying where there is a problem, then
there is a solution.
Yeah.
Absolutely. What else?
So by these designs, we are also saving the planet, because where you are going to buy 2 to 3 more bigger objects, we are only buying one.
Yes. Yeah. Absolutely. Yes. So, I have shown you a picture, how a particular, how this trend, whatever is happening around us, has led to something which is a design solution in the end, and which gives a different business opportunity. Okay. So, I will show you there's particular trend only, how people have come up with different business idea according to the design solution. Okay. So now we're talking about the rental furniture business. Okay. I think everybody knows about Rentomozo and Furlenco, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
why these furniture brands are there? Why these rental furniture brands are there? You remember, people have space crunch. There are people who come to the metro city, they don't have they don't have that much money to buy, and even if they have money, they don't want to spend so much of money because they are not sure whether they're going to settle down in the particular city or not. So why to spend so much money over there? So are you understanding how the design thinking process is going on? Everything, whatever happening around us is a part of design thinking process, and then the final product comes. So definitely, maybe 6 to 7 years back, this particular company owners, they have thought, why to people don't want to spend lakhs and lakhs of rupees to buy furniture and solid wood furniture. Let's just give them a offer where they can rent it by spending 400k 400 rupees per month, or 500 rupees per month, or maximum 1000 rupees per month. There are families who are staying like that because people keeps traveling for job requirement, okay, along with their family. So that's the reason, so they prefer buying rental they prefer to rent out the furniture rather than buying. So they're just spending 2 to 3k per month, and they're happy with that until and unless they're settling down in the in that particular city. So now this is the time which is giving opportunity to another level of design. which is like, you know, the UI UX design. So when you see the website, I'll show you. I'll share the actual website link with you guys. Just a minute. Yes. So can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you see how a trend is leading to different kind of solution, different kind of business opportunity, which I said earlier. So when I'm talking about UI UX now, like you know, so when user like you know user experience and user interaction, like you know how like you know this whole format happen, how the color combinations happen over there, how color interact for the. So whenever I see open this page, the first thing which I'll see is like you know it's good to be, right? How the calligraphy comes, like you know how it communicate, the visual communication. That this next second thing is that I'll see save 1600 rupees. Like then I'll see use code this one, this particular code, how this user interface is working over there. And now just look back from where I started, like how a particular trend is leading to something which is totally like you know we never thought of. People are coming up with different kind of business idea, people are coming with different kind of design solution. So first of all, the design solution comes, and the design solutions becomes a business idea. So that's the way, like you know, guys, like you know how trend work. Like you know, so when we talk about trend, the first thing which comes to our mind, like generally people say, like you know, WGSN or like you know, textile view, but that's one of the thing, a very little thing, like you know. But when we generally talk about trends, it's all about whatever is happening around us, which is leading to something like you know a design solution, a design thinking process. Now we're not done yet. I'll show you some other thing. Just a minute. Okay, so we are so this at that particular platform. I want to make you understand how like these particular platforms are being inspired from the trend. How these things are somewhere like you know connected with the main like you know trend which we talked in the initial stage. Like you know you remember when we are talking about this thing, this particular slide, you remember how trends lead to design solution. So these are the different kind of design solution, like with the business opportunity. Now the another business is paint business. It's been there in the industry from last I think many years, 70-80 years. And there are brands like you know Asian Paints, Narrowlag, Dulux, Berger. What are the things which came like you know and got introduced like you know very much in recent? Any idea about that?
Antimicrobial coating and all the stuff.
तो
Yes,
सर हम डिजिटली है ना घर में पेंट करवा सकते हैं और देख सकते हैं कि पेंट चूज सही लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है.
absolutely. But now you tell me these 2 points, which is very good point. Why you think like you know these 2 points came up? Do you
Because
think? हाँ बताओ.
बिकॉज सर हम लोग बस इतने एक तो हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता कि हम है ना बैठ के ना चूज करें तो फटाफट उसमें है ना फटाफट चूज हो सकता है और दूसरा इसलिए भी
Absolutely. We don't have time. But why we don't have time?
because we
Because of
live in a time where all of are working and they're
yes,
struggling.
We have a
absolutely.
fast-paced life.
Fast-paced life. Absolutely. The same trend coming again. Like you know, so आप अगर TR3 city में जाओ, वहाँ पे भी Asian Paints है. But people don't buy paints like through this online process or these apps or like you know Color Screen Pro app or like they don't see it. They literally go to the dealer shop. They go to the dealer shop. They ask कि मुझे घर paint करवाना है, and then the dealer shows the like you know shade card and they paint their house. But maximum in the metro cities, what people do? People like don't have time. They just see in the app. They click the picture of their house and then what they do? They just see the color options over
Like
there and they see oh will
in
it
a
look nice or not, right? So and then somebody says this anti like you know bacterial thing like you know. So I'll show you this thing just a minute, a video. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir. But no, sir, we can't see the screen.
Not the video. Not the video.
Okay,
You're
wait.
presenting it, not
Yeah,
the
yeah,
video.
yeah. I'll just do one thing. Just a minute. I'll separately show you the screen. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let's see this video.
Hello?
Can you hear it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello?
ओए, तूने आज हाउस वार्मिंग पार्टी रखी है, मुझे क्यों नहीं बुलाया?
सर care for you, yeah?
What?
हाँ, मैंने भी अपने घर पे रॉयल हेल्थ शील्ड लगाया है।
So?
रणवीर, उसका एंटी बैक्टीरियल टेक्नोलॉजी बैक्टीरिया को किल कर देता है ना?
पर मेरे और बैक्टीरिया में क्या कनेक्शन? So funny.
Thank you.
Hey, careful.
What?
It kills bacteria.
एशियन पेंट्स रॉयल हेल्थ शील्ड, इसकी एंटी बैक्टीरियल टेक्नोलॉजी दीवारों पे लगे बैक्टीरिया को किल करे और घर को रखे सेफ। रॉयल हेल्थ शील्ड, द पेंट दैट केयर्स फॉर यू।
Okay. So, can you see, like, how, where we are leading to now? Like, how things are, like, getting. Just a minute. So I was saying, like, how, like, we are leading to these things, like, where, like, so this antibacterial thing will never get sell in the, like, tier 3 cities, right? People are, like, very much happy with the greenery around over there in the small cities. This particular kind of product will get sell over where? Strongly in the metro cities, right? Why so? Because there are too much pollution. Why there is pollution? Because there are too much like people coming over there, like, they have settled down over there due to their work life, and after a point of time they don't want to go back to their hometown because they're so much used to of the lifestyle, they're so much used to of the comfort zone, they're so much used to of their priorities now. So the priorities also get changed when you, like, after a point of time, like, when you move to different cities. So can you see how that everything is connected together, like, to the trend where we started? So I'll show you another thing. So as somebody has said, like, the online process of selecting the print. So now they're showing, like, in this particular format where again the UI UX also comes, like, how you're gonna showcase a particular space and you're gonna select the colors and all. Why? Because they know people don't have time in these cities. Like, they don't want to spare time to go to a dealer shop and buy the paint. There's the design solution. There's a design thinking process. Let's come up with an app where people, and why, from where is coming? From the gadgets. And why, from where the gadgets is coming? Like, because the brand knows that people can't survive without gadgets. I myself, when I look like, me, I think 10 years back when I was in college, like, I used to think कि तब तो मेरे पास इंटरनेट नहीं हुआ करता था मेरे फोन में, and मैं तब कैसे survive करता था. And right now I can't survive without internet. That's the way the priorities also get changes. So can you see how trend affect us, like, directly or indirectly? Like every product, whatever we buy, whatever we like see, whatever we, like, we get involved ourselves, it's a kind of design process which we don't really realize until and unless somebody says us. That's it, guys. Like, I guess, like, you guys understood, like, what I really want to say. Can you guys
Yes.
like, tell me, like, your understanding, like, how, like, do you get understood how 3 different businesses comes up, like, following one trend? I talked about the furniture business. I talked about the rental business. I talked about the paint business. There are many other business which has followed the same trend, but due to lack of time, I can't explain it to you.
Yes,
yeah.
sir. There is a.
So it's a design thinking process. It's a design solution process. Just for a very small example, like, when you open your eyes in the morning, when you wake up, the fan which you see, like, that is also a design solution, right? Every single thing which you see around yourself is a result of design thinking process. Anything which you want to contribute, anything which you want to ask? Any doubt?
Not asking particularly, sir, but I mean, I just like to bring up this case of the smartphones nowadays removing headphone jacks, the 3.5 mm headphone jacks from their phone.
Yeah.
So in this case, a function was removed in order to bring in some other product. Like if you consider the case of Apple, right? So they removed headphone jacks in order to promote AirPods.
Yeah.
So in this case, a problem has been created rather than solving a problem. I think a problem has been created in order to promote some other stuff. So
Yes,
in this way also
absolutely.
business can bloom.
Yeah, absolutely. That is so. So can you understand this thing? This fine line. So when the problem has been created, to give that's a business. As you said, like to blooming the business, it's because they know there is a kind of consumer in the market who will only prefer iPhones.
Right.
So whatever said and done, they're gonna buy it. So
Right.
why
But
not
sir,
just?
I think this could also be a gradual shift to something new, na? Like maybe the reason behind it is not to like completely remove or to create a problem, but to shift the entire experience of music or listening or whatever. It could be that also. It could be seen that way also.
I mean, yes, every coin has two sides. That's the thing. But in that point of time, at that point of time, particularly removing a headphone jack, I mean, not having a headphone jack was a huge thing. I mean, nowadays it's become a normal in mobiles and stuff. But at that time, it was such a drastic change. So that's why I just came up with this.
I think Rajdeep,
yes,
we must have you once again. Yeah,
okay.
Because what I see is that with your presentation, which is very grounded, and while I was going through it, and I really realized how students have started understanding, how the edge of computing and augmented reality is actually showing in the real things that are around us.
Yes, absolutely.
I mean, we generally talk about the Internet of Things and think, and edge computing or augmented reality, everything is in the domain of software and stuff like that. But actually, they are in reality on how things people are, consuming things, buying things, experiencing life today because of these kind of trends.
Yeah.
And you've just triggered that. That's the fantastic part of your presentation was that it has triggered imagination, started making students to see things around themselves and feel things around themselves, because it has got a physical aspect and psychological aspect also attached to it.
Yeah, absolutely. I agree with you, Vivek. I think that's the thing, students, whatever you see around you, just see, how after a few years, these few things, these little things will lead to a, design thinking process, and they will come with different design solutions. I think this, I know this contradicting stuff, which is happening nowadays about the Apple iPhone, so there are many things which is going on around it. But just try to, just there's a video online, I think in YouTube, where they talk about the Apple mouse, how from where it started and from where it, how it has been evolved, according to the time. I want you to understand how this journey has, what are the things which influence this journey? What was the trend at that time, 20 or 30 years back, or 40 years back, when this thing has been invented? Everything, everything. I think this is a very creative aspect when you see things which happens, an incident which happens, and it leads to a trend, and then this trend leads to a design thinking process, and then it happens to it converted into a business, and then people buy those things. So it's a very beautiful, I personally really like this beautiful journey, how things occur, and I definitely want you guys to to have a detailed observation wherever you go somewhere, whenever you see something, whenever just keep your eyes and ear open, how things are happening. There's so many things happens nowadays, in every aspect, just keep try to open your eyes, nothing else. Anything else you guys want to add on, like, you know, or like, you know, yeah. Okay, I guess Vivek, they are done with the contribution.
Yeah, thank you so
Sir,
much. Yeah, I think Rahul wants to add something.
Yes.
Rahul, do you want to say something? Somebody wants to say something, I think. Is it?
Yeah, sir, I want to add that for interior designing also, or for just for taking a measurement also, the apps are coming. अगर आपको घर में अगर means we have to put
Correct.
something, yeah,
Yes,
material.
absolutely.
There is also one application for that also.
Absolutely. So it's very much clear, like, you know, one particular trend, how it gives opportunity to different creative ideas. It's very, like, you get to do anything. A simplest thing I'll tell you, like, you know, if you don't have a scanner, you can scan it by your phone, and you can upload it. From where this thing is coming? It's a design solution again. It's a design process. It's just an app which somebody has installed in your phone, and then, like, you know, you can use it.
Yes.
So yeah, like, you know, so whatever, like, you know, we see, we observe, like, we consume, we live, is trend, and that led us to a different kind of design thinking process and design solutions. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for your time, like, you know.
Thank you, Rajdeep. Thank you. And
Thank you, Vivek.
I think once the pandemic is over and we are going to be coming to the campus, we would love, I think students would also love to have you in the campus to interact with them in person.
My pleasure.
After this interaction. I think
Yes.
students can respond on the chat if you really want Rajdeep to be there interacting with you in person. Rajdeep has recently made a film, you know, on the Navratri for Asian Paints. And I'm going to send you the link for that, or maybe Rajdeep can himself share that link on the chat.
Yes, but right now I okay, just a minute.
And students can have a look at it.
Okay, just a minute.
Our particular community has been addressed, you know, by Rajdeep's video by Asian Paints during.
Just a minute. Yeah, I'll just share it.
Thank you, Rajdeep.
Thank you, Vivek. Thank you. I'm just trying to, like, you know, share that link in the thing. Just a minute. Yes, I just got it. Okay, Control C. Yeah. Just whenever you have time, guys, just have a look in this link. Like, you know, so I've worked in the like, you know, the interior color combinations and the stencils in this video. Like, you know, a bit of styling. So just have a look in that, like, you know, how the concept, like, you know, these also again a design solution, like, you know, in this pandemic, how the brand has come up with a solution. Just have a look. Okay. Thank you, Vivek. Thanks a lot, like, you know, for inviting me.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.
Yes. And Shubha Ashtami, like, you know, so to everyone, like, you know.
Yeah, Shubha Ashtami to everybody.
Yes, yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.